welcome back to Drawing for Kids. To start off, let's go over what material you'll need. You need some Crayola markers, which you can use any color markers that you like. Next, you also need some paper. In addition to that, you'll need some black markers, such as Sharpies. Okay, so as I'm going along, I'll go step by step on how to draw this character, but I really like to invite you to add your own little twist to it to make it your own. There's no pressure to necessarily draw exactly what I have, but let's use that as a guidance to see what we can come up with. As always, remember to add in a little bit of your imagination to make it your own. You can do this drawing with your family and friends, and at the end of it, maybe check out how everybody's drawing turned out at the very end. Are you ready? So we're gonna get started. For today's drawing, I'm gonna be doing an animal that likes to eat bananas. Can you guess what animal this is? Well, let me tell you. This animal is an animal that you can see in the zoo. It is a gorilla, but in particular, I'm gonna be drawing a grumpy gorilla today. So I'm gonna start with the gorilla's head, like so. It's almost like a pear shape, very round still, but not a circle. Here is one ear and the other ear for the gorilla. And then I'm gonna do kind of an inner outline for the face here. I'm gonna have the gorilla eating a banana, so I'll do that next, drawing in the banana. I'm gonna have it peeled already. If you like, you can make this gorilla be eating like a bigger banana, maybe a longer banana, or like maybe eating candy or lollipops. I don't know. Do gorillas eat candy? I don't know if they will like it as much as bananas. But anyways, now I'm drawing the fingers and the arms for the gorilla as it's holding on to the banana. Just completing the outline here. And then I'm gonna do the rest of the body. Here's the other arm. And then I want to draw in some fingers for my gorilla and also hands for it as well. My gorilla is going to be sitting down, just cross-legged as it's eating its banana. I don't really know why it's grumpy, but I think it's important to give like each of your characters and your drawing like expression or some kind of emotion. So I've decided that anger or being grumpiness is going to be the expression for my gorilla. However, for you, you could choose to have your gorilla to be really happy, really silly, really like sleepy. There could be many options. So you can think about what kind of expression you want for your gorilla. I've left the expression last, the facial expressions, but here are the eyes. I'm doing a line to go across and then two half circles filled in with like my black marker. Here is the nose for my gorilla, kind of like a small M. And then the mouth for the gorilla. Of course, if you like, you can make the gorilla's mouth larger, or the nose will be bigger with like really big nostrils. Those are all ideas you can incorporate into your drawing to make your gorilla a little bit more unique, a little bit more special. You don't necessarily have to copy exactly what I'm drawing. Just use your imagination and have fun. So here I'm using my gray marker to color in my gorilla's face and ears. I certainly try my best to color within the lines and not have any white gaps. It's not perfect, but that's okay. I think part of it is just having fun with the drawing process. So now I'm just gonna color in the rest of my gorilla. I've chosen to color in my gorilla black, but of course you can draw in like different colors. Let's say Donkey Kong is like a brown gorilla. You can use browns or different shades of brown, or you can do purple or red. You can use your imagination and use your favorite colors or rainbow colors if you like to color in your gorilla. So that's my drawing today of this grumpy gorilla. Thank you so much for joining me on this step-by-step drawing with Sharon. I really enjoy drawing this one. I think it's just so cute. Do you like gorillas? Have you seen a gorilla in real life? I would love to hear from you. Well, that's it for now. Thank you so much for joining me. Hopefully I will see you in future videos. Take care and stay creative, everyone. Bye for now.